Hey everybody, so I got a new dash mount to share today. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up right now, but I'll show you some close-ups here in a second. This is not your typical phone mount. This is a heavy-duty dash mount that you are going to drill holes and you are going to install it. It's going to hold your phones, your tablets, your GoPros, action cameras, all of it. All right, so in the box we do have our little instruction manual. We do have our mount. We do have our tools that come with it. And all our bolts and screws. Then we have our included mounts for our iPad, our phone. We got some ball mounts, 3 ball mounts here, plus a couple other, GoPro mount. So we need to go ahead and prep. This one is going to require some drilling too. Using a 7mm socket, we need to remove this bolt and the other one on the other side of the speaker. All right, so once you get those screws out, you can easily pop this out. Just be careful. Unhook that speaker wire. Now we got to drill holes in this piece here. Now this does include the drill bit that you are going to need. Yeah, if you also want to, you could take off this top plate here with the included screwdriver to make it a little easier to also drill the holes. And it might make it easier to also put on the bolts. And these ones are a size 8 if you prefer to use your own tool. Alright, let's go ahead and work on our mounts. We'll get those on here real quick and then we'll install this and be done. Alright, so for these ball mounts, you're going to put them on and then you're going to tighten them from up here. So these are actually easy to put on and move around. It looks like this comes with a lot of extra screws and bolts and everything too. Alright, let's get this installed back in the truck and we're going to try it out. Alright, now this part's not going to be as easy when it comes to the filming to show you. So I'll get it installed and then we'll show you everything afterwards. I want to make sure everything pops back into place where it was. Alright, that's in there pretty good. That's pretty sturdy. I like that. Let's get these other bolts back in place. Now these ones up here for the truck is a 7mm if I never mentioned that. Hopefully this is showing up. Got our other little panel. We're going to pop that back on. Alright, give you another quick look. So we got our plate right here. We just got the panel back in. It is in there really, really good. Let's go ahead and get our mounts on and we'll try them out. Now we're all done. We got a mount for our phone. We can tighten this up, move it to different angles. This is going to be a lot more stable for sure. We got our mount for our action cameras, GoPros. Now you can put other ball mounts, you can put other phone mounts and other types of things. Now I'm going to be installing the gang switch and stuff on mine, but it definitely gives you a lot more options and this is definitely a lot more stable.